where it says Kinky, even though it's blurry. Right now outside it is windy, watching the National Weather Service. It is 3:33 in the morning. Looks like we got some wind damage here from the wind that was here last night. Looks like a shingle went flying off. Also looks like we got something over here. Looks like part of the house came flying off. Let's see if we can find any more. Looks like some more parts here. Some other parts of the a pine cone.
A CD went flying.
Yeah, CD. Looks like some,
what's this over here?
Like some more shingles right here. A pop can got shredded.